Man, alright, so what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back. I don't even know to call, this is not a regular video, okay? This is Sniper Jones bringing y'all something very, very exclusive, and I'm very happy to be able to give y'all this video. Man, by the way, if y'all are not subscribed to my channel, be sure that you are part of the Snipe Squad community. We are super close to 100K, and this year is the year of the plaque. I need the plaque, okay? You get 100K for the plaque. Make sure you subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. But man, woo, my hands, bro, are shaking. They're literally shaking, bro. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Today, we have one of the most hyped sneakers within the past 5 years live in the studio, ready to be reviewed. Now, man, it has been so much talk, so much hysteria, so much hoopla over the Air Jordan 1 trophy room, and I'm extremely thankful to be able to bring y'all this sneaker. So before we get into this, I have to shout out my Kicks Mafia family, and I gotta shout out my trophy room family, man. Thank y'all so much. Without y'all, obviously, this video would not be even able to drop, man. So AJ, I appreciate you, my guy. Also, shout out my guy Ali, man. But whew, man, it's here. It is time. Hiya! Woo! Yo, man, this video right here gotta hit 1,000, bro. Where's my man? My knife is in my pocket. I can't even. This video gotta hit 1,000 likes. The video I hit on a pair of neutral high 85s, and I showed y'all that on sneakers. That one didn't hit 1,000 likes either. Hey, look, bro. Snipe Squad, I need y'all to come through. My loyals, my day ones, or if you're new to my channel, man, like I say, it's a lot of content like this over here. So please be sure you subscribe to the channel. But more importantly, smash up this like button. Only take a second, and it definitely helps out the video because it helps the algorithm, man. It helps me out in the algorithm and help this video get a little bit further. But my hands, when I say my hands are shaking, y'all, my hands are shaking. The box is open. I might not even edit this video, bro. I want y'all to see the raw emotion out of me. Woo! Man. Bro. The box. The freeze out box. Come on, man. Size 12. Personal pair, okay? Personal pair. This is my personal pair I'm reviewing for y'all today on the channel. Man, hey, look, bro, without further ado, you know what? I don't even want to open this up and show it so blatantly. We about to get into some super over dramatic, super slow-mo B-roll. I'm not even gonna just ruin this moment by showing y'all in like the raw flesh. Let's get into it. Here is the Air Jordan 1 trophy room. Man, let me go ahead and flip these back. Open it. Oh man, hold on. Let's not disrespect the box, okay? So we got Air Jordan, the trophy room logo, the Jordan wing, right there on the box. Like, bro, details. Details matter. Blue Nike box, Nike in white. We got stars all around the sides of the box. as I open up the wrapping paper, we get the Air Jordan 1 Trophy Room ticket. Let me read this out. It says Trophy Room, Section 523, row box 2, seat 10. And of course it says Air Jordan Trophy Room. I'm keeping the ticket. You heard me right. I'm keeping the ticket, the details. I love that, man. It makes the unboxing so much better when you got like different details in the unboxing. Man, I present y'all the Air Jordan 1 Freeze Out. Man. Bro, these are crazy. Let the camera just get this. The quality on here. So, a lot of people that don't know about the sneaker, I just kind of tell you briefly about it. So the Air Jordan 1 Freeze Out was basically a sneaker designed behind the concept of the All-Star game when they try to freeze Jordan out of the All-Star game. A lot of the people wasn't open to Michael Jordan taking over the NBA, so they came in with this idea to not pass MJ the ball, to kind of freeze him out of the game. So that's why you get the whole freeze out design, and you also get this sneaker that looks like it's kind of glazed over in ice, right? So if you can tell by the details on the entire upper of the shoe, it looks like it's surrounded by ice, cold, it looks chiseled, you feel me? That is the idea behind it, and I think that Jordan Brand and Trophy Room did an amazing job in detailing and preparing the shoe for us. On this side, well, I think it's this one. Is it on both? On both, you get the Michael Jordan signature on the back heel of the shoe. Like I said, man, details is crazy. And for the people who's asking, listen, come on, bro. The blue laces on deck inside of the box. So it comes with 4 pair of laces, if I'm not mistaken, right? Let me see what shoe. Yes, it comes with 4 pair of laces. So we get the white lace, we get the red lace. It already comes laced in the bottom lock with black. And of course, we get that Trophy Room lace. Now, there's been a lot of back and forth about these, but I hands down easily think that it will be one of the best Air Jordan collabs in a long time. Not because I got it personally, but it's just my thoughts on the shoe. I think it's well executed. And if I might say, I easily think that this will be one of the best Jordan collabs for the next few years to come. I mean, I really think that this shoe will stand the test of time. The resale value is already shot through the roof. Some pairs, like small pairs, are going for over $100,000. Of course, that's pretty inflated. But even pairs like my size is close to $3,000. So in my opinion, man, I think it's only going to go up over time. So I just want to get into it. We're going to start off with the outer sole of the sneaker and slowly work our way through the entirety of the shoe. So as we start off with the outer sole, okay, we get a translucent outer sole, and we also get the blue and red stars at the bottom of the sneaker. As we move up to the midsole, we get this sail midsole. So it's not white. It's not the same colorway as you will see on the side panel of the shoe. It's a little bit more aged, right? So that's where you get that sail look. Me personally, I like the sail look. I believe that when you put the sail look on the midsole of the Air Jordan 1s, they tend not to get dirty fast. As I told you guys earlier, we get the Chicago colorway, but it looks like an iced silhouette because that is the theme of the shoe. It's called the Freeze Out. So as we look around the toe box, we get the red around the toe box and the perforated toe box with the white on top. Now the leather quality is that genuine leather. So it's not like a shattered backboard leather where you'll get something like very tumbled or anything like that. This is just strictly genuine good leather right here. So it's not super soft. You don't see it bounce back or nothing like that. You also don't see like the old wrinkled type material on the side panel, but this is that 100% great grade A leather, if you hear what I'm saying. Across the side panel, we get the black Nike swoosh. Of course, you get the Air Jordan wing at the top of the sneaker. As I said earlier, you do get the Michael Jordan signature on the bottom back heel of the shoe. And by the way, these are numbered. It is only 12,000 pairs available, and I have number 10,259. I'll go ahead and show that real quick, you know what I'm saying? No cap in my rap. I have number 10,259 out of 12,000 pairs. One of the most limited sneakers to have released. And I'm telling y'all, bro, the last 10 years? So on this tongue, it says the pair that you have, which is 10,259. On the right sneaker, it has the year of the freeze out, which is February 10th, 1985. I'll show y'all that too. The details on this sneaker is amazing, man. I'm telling y'all. Trophy Room definitely did above and beyond on the design of the sneaker. On the inside of the shoe, it has rumor has it. So for my people who don't understand the definition of rumor has it, which is on the inside of the sneaker, that was a rumor that was going around the NBA. So as I told you guys, NBA players froze Michael Jordan out of the game, which really didn't stop him. at the end of the day, he still prevailed. And as you can see, he's still one of the biggest, most iconic players to ever play the game. But rumor has it, the people in the locker room had decided not to pass Michael the ball before the All-Star game, and we see how that went. What I wanted to show y'all today was the box that Reshoevn8r sells over the glass case box. And I think that this is very necessary for a sneaker like this. So you can head over to Reshoevn8r right now and check out these glass cases. It's really a display case for like some of your favorite or more decorated shoes. I cannot think of a more decorated shoe to put in these than the Air Jordan 1 trophy rooms. So this is something that would be in a glass case in my opinion. And of course, you gotta put the ticket in there as well, just to give y'all an idea of what this would look like. Something like this, man, you know? And you would keep it in a case, or if you want to put it like in the front, if you want to put this right here in the front, you can as well. Check out Reshoevn8r. They have these display cases over there. I really think that it's worth it. If you guys got this sneaker, or if you got any other sneakers that's just worth glass casing, you can put it in like this, have your sneakers on the side. I will link Reshoevn8r down below in the description of this video for y'all to head over there and just check out some of the glass display cases that they have. Now, it's not cheap. It's not nothing like the Container Store containers where, you know, it's like plastic. This one is very thick, very tough. It has like the magnetic latches on the back, and it really shows a great display. These will not be going in a glass case, but not because they're not worthy enough. It's because I'm putting them on foot. Yes, you heard right, bro. I am not about to cop the Jordan of the century and not put foots in these, bro. So get ready, sit back, relax. We are about to get into the on foot of the Air Jordan 1 trophy room. Let's do it. You guys, so that concludes the end of the video. Please let me know your thoughts and opinions of the Air Jordan 1 trophy room down below. I want to know everything. I want this to be like a conversational story. What happened? Did you get these? Did you go for these? If you did, which lace would you wear? Would you wear the blue, the white, the black? Obviously, as you can see in the B-roll, and as you can see in, man, look, I mean, look, bro, look how, bro, the blue laces. So I rock the blue laces in the on foot two different ways. I know some people like to do the tongue out, or not the tongue out, they like to do the lace out. Some people like to stop before the top loop and lace them up. I try to do two different ways so y'all can see how they would look. But here we have it, man, the Air Jordan 1 trophy room review and on foot, man. So I wanted to show y'all what these look like on feet. The blue laces by far are the best to me. These are amazing. Like I said before I got interrupted by the laces, let me know your story on getting these. Did you go for these? If you did, tell me your experience down below. I appreciate you guys for watching as always. Do not leave this video without smashing the like button, number one. And number two, do not leave without subscribing if you're new. I literally drop content like every single day. You don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss being a part of the Snipe Squad because like I said, man, the content over here is daily and I put everything I have into it. So I really hope y'all enjoy the video. Until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.